store. Okay, let's go, kids. Where are we going? Secret. Aww. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're here now. Ow! Ow! Dad, I'm sorry. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Where are we going first? At the birds. Okay. Wow. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Aw, they're talking. Or singing. Cute. Tweet. It's singing now. Okay, let's go. At that, I don't know. You don't know what is that? Dad, can you open it? Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, we're sorry, honey. That's okay. Let's go. Let's go here. Wow. Okay, let's go. Oh, so cute. Mom, I'm hungry. Okay, let's go at the store. Okay. Mom, can we buy some candy? Okay. Oh, it's so hot, Mom. That's okay. Can we have some? Wait. What color do you want? I want pink. Okay. You blue. I know. Pink. Okay. Can we have two pink? Okay. Okay, one for you. And one for you. It's $40. Okay. Here you go. Here's your change. Okay. Let's go. Oh, wait, Mom. Okay, let's go. Let's put it here. Can we eat it later in the car, Mom? Okay. Ooh, what is that? Dad, can you see it? Okay. Oh, it's a lizard. Look at it. Okay, let's go. Wait, please. Oh my. Sorry. Ah, what's me? Oh, tiger. Roar! Roar!